Violet, what do you think about all the snow? Whoa.
Oh no, Katie's lost.
Yeah, everything's covered with snow.
Oh no, Katie's lost.
It's Kay.
Oh no, Katie's lost.
Yeah, the candy cane's covered. Oh, it's covered in snow. Wow, what do you think about it? Play. You like the snow? Look, Violet, look at Mommy. Do you like it? It's deep. Deep snow, Violet. What do you think? Look over here at Mommy. Whoa, I'm going in the deep part. Look, Violet. You gotta get up so you can play. What happened to the ducks? Huh? Talk to me, Violet. What are you thinking?
Oh no, reindeers.
I know, reindeers. It covered everything.
No. Oh no.
Violet, what do you think about all the snow? Was it too deep?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, trees.
It covered the trees too. Oh my goodness. Wow. It covered Daddy's car. You can't even see it anymore.
Much. So much.
Yeah, so much.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. Huh? Olaf's all gone. We're gonna have to build a new one. Yeah, you're gonna climb? Go for it. Yay! Go, Violet! You gonna throw all the snow? Olaf, you see him over there? A little bit is left of him. Look, he's just a hump now. Whoa! What happened to Olaf, Violet? Huh? Oh my gosh. Are you gonna try and climb over there? Wow. Okay, say bye. Bye, little panda bear. See you.